Hey, look at this. Delivery man's finally been. Can you guess what it is? What is in a box like this? It weighs, hardly weighs anything. So let me get a knife. Yeah, nice one. Sorry, I don't have a fancy knife. Unboxing video. Unboxing video. Come on, sing along. If you're unboxing on a Thursday, I know what it is. It's back to front. It is a LIFEPO4 Battery. There's going to be a certain amount of editing for this. Let's whack this in there. What do you get? So this is eco-worthy. So product guide, book of stuff. Yeah, it's packaging. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so I've been rocking a lead acid battery for my portable ops for some time, and it died on me, plus it was too heavy, so I went and got eco-worthy LIFEPO4. This is a 12-inch volts, 20 amp hour battery, and weighs nothing. Comes in a nice plastic holder thing, and it's got the connectors on the top. I reckon these are the terminals for the battery, and this is the charger. I have a charger upstairs. So yeah, so that in it. Push my glasses up. So lithium iron phosphate. Yep, lithium iron phosphate deep cycle batteries. That's okay, is that? That hardly weighs anything. I said to the guy who delivered it, I says, is it heavy? He's like, what are you on about, bruv? So don't weigh out. Nice one. That almost matches my t-shirt. Hey, stay tuned.